Welcome back to Sadler of Nails. I'm going to show you how I do this really cool glitch effect. This set is one of my most popular designs. It's called Distorted Roses. So I start off by painting a white base. I do use Ugly Duckling's white for my base color. And now I'm coming in with a very, very thin detail brush, and I'm using Ugly Duckling's black to hand paint basically just a rose. You're going to hand paint your first design in black, your main design, and then you're going to use two other colors to make your glitch effect. Now, you don't necessarily have to paint a rose. You can pretty much do this with any image. It would be really cool, I think, with Old English letters. But you're just going to do your main image in your black and then come in with your two other colors. Now, when I do roses, I always start off with kind of like a figure eight, and then I build out my rose from there, with each individual petal kind of overlapping each other. The roses are a design you do kind of have to stick with. They look a little funky at first, but once you get in your second layer of petals, it starts to form your rose shape. So now I'm coming in with Joya Mia 21, which is a sheer hot pink color. And I am just going to come down one side of the black image. So for this color, I'm only going to come down the left side of every black line. And then the other image, we're going to come in on the other side. And you can notice here that I'm only really painting the vertical lines. I'm not doing the horizontal ones, because that is how you get the glitch effect. So then after we come in with our pink, I'm going to come in with blue, and I'm going to be using Blueberry by Bioseaweed Gel. This is kind of a sheer blue, but once you do a couple coats, it does come to a fully opaque polish, but it is perfect for this design. And then I am just going to come in on the other side of the black line with the blue. Now make sure you're doing the same side. This can get very confusing, this design. Just be very patient with it and make sure you're only doing one side of the black line and not both sides with the same color. And then after you come in down the sides with your color, you're going to come in with the same colors and then kind of just do horizontal swipes in random spots along the image. This is what's going to give us our glitched out look. Now you are going to want to make sure that these lines are extremely, extremely thin. I barely have any polish on my brush, and I'm literally just doing one swipe. And then now I'm coming in with the other color, and I'm doing the same thing, making sure I'm just being pretty random with it, to be honest. And then this is kind of the magical part, the part that really makes the image look very trippy and blurred out. So what we're going to do is come in with white, and we're going to just white out the black. You're going to come in with a horizontal line, and you're going to fully white out some of the areas. And then once you come in with that top coat, it blends it all right in, and then it makes it look like this really, really cool, blurred out, glitched design. It's really, really awesome to look at, honestly. Like, it really messes with your eyes, and it's a really, really cool design, and I hope you like it. Tag me, Sadler Up Nails, if you do try this on Instagram, and please follow me. Thanks, guys.